domestic fixed income market impact your financial future? Are you ready to make smart investment choices and protect your wealth? Financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu is here. Satish Prabhu, can you enlighten us on the latest fixed income trends?
Moving to the domestic fixed income side, interest rates, while they are expected to fall, we should not expect a very drastic fall in interest rates like what had happened in the US. So if you look at the trajectory of interest rate hikes that happened in the US raised interest rates by 5%. And at that time, India raised interest rates by only 2.5%. So we went through that journey only 50%. So even when interest rates fall, we should not expect interest rates to fall very drastically. But at some point of time, interest rates are expected to fall to be in line with global interest rate. That's the stance that the RBI has is likely to take.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.